as we started to engineer the solution and look at the architecture with the Dell hardware, the NVIDIA GPU, and the Telit software, we needed to enlist the help of a systems integrator in order to bring it all together and actually make the idea work. And that's where we brought in Technotects. And now Exhibit A, with the integration that we've done here at the brewery, does not need to have as many people on the canning line staring at specific spots to see if cans fall or there are other issues. They can be alerted throughout the process to say, okay, this is where the can falls, this is where we know there's a problem, and fix it right away.
So it's been very chaotic before the system was put in place, but since it's been put in place, I think it really kind of has settled down, and the staff here feels more comfortable around the canning line and are able to move over to the brewing side of things and or redistribute their workloads. So.
Well, absolutely. A system like this on paper looks simple. We got computers, we have software, we have vision systems, we have cameras, we have sensors, but somebody needs to kind of pull that all together, and that's where we come in.
Is that we have to make sure that we bring in the right software partners like Telit, the right system integrators like Technotects, to deploy the solutions in such a way that it's easy for our customers to use, and we're solving their issues. We're saying, okay, we're going to bring in this solution which is an end-to-end solve to what your pain points are.
We lay down an edge architecture that this brewery can grow from. Yes, we're solving an immediate problem with the canning operation, and we have some monitoring going on at the fermentation side. But it's really, we lay down a platform that has plug-and-play sensors going to easy to communicate with I/O modules. There are Dell gateway computers that are distributed throughout the plant floor. They're designed to be rugged and solid state and be on machines or near where the I/O is. High-speed networks going back to a very rugged XR4000. So that's like the near edge, far edge kind of architecture that's been kind of laid down here at the plant. And we feel it's just a great platform to grow from.
And I think from a Dell perspective, an open ecosystem is critical to anything that we do in telecom and the edge. There is no way that we can solely deploy these end-to-end solutions without an open ecosystem, software, system integrators, other technology partners that we bring in, such as NVIDIA in this case, and our 5G Open Innovation Lab. We also have a Digi router here, so other hardware vendors. There's absolutely no way that any of this would happen either if we didn't have a network. This is running on T-Mobile's 5G network, which is incredibly important. When we think about the edge, we think about all these endpoint devices that have to go in. But the reality is, if we don't have a network, none of them are going to work properly. So having that high speed and low latency of 5G, given to us by T-Mobile in this case, is incredibly important to make sure that everything runs seamlessly and all the time.